One reason that poultry intake has been associated with weight gain may be that chickens these days are mostly fat, up to 3 times more fat than protein. See, now we confine animals, genetically manipulate them, pump them full of growth promoters, deny them exercise. How fat have our chickens got? According to the USDA, 100 years ago, a serving of chicken may have only had 2 grams of fat per serving. Now there may be over 20 grams of animal fat per serving, twice the amount of fat that's in ice cream. Chicken now has 10 times more fat, so that could help explain why chicken has been now tied to human abdominal girth. No viral explanation necessary. In fact, the chickens themselves may be technically obese, raising the concern: does eating obesity cause obesity in the consumer? A chicken carcass now contains 2 to 3 times the energy coming from fat compared to protein. Parents may think they're feeding their children a low-fat product, as it was when they were kids, but instead unknowingly feeding their children on a high-fat product. The cocktail of gene selection for fast weight gain, lack of exercise, and high-energy food availability 24 hours a day is a simple and well-understood recipe for obesity in these birds. Farm animals used to make DHA, the long-chain omega-3 fatty acid important for the brain, but fast-growing animals failed to fully synthesize it in their muscle. This reversal in fatty acid status in intensively reared chickens is described as a most unusual new phenomenon. It's likely to be the result of this genetic selection for fast growth outstripping the biosynthetic process. To obtain the same amount of DHA from intensively reared chickens today as it would have been obtained in the 1970s, won't be required to eat 6 whole chickens. It's like 9,000 calories. These researchers at the Institute for Brain Chemistry go as far as to suggest this may be in part why we've seen a skyrocket in human mental illness. Although the intensification of chickens alone cannot be responsible for this rise in human brain disorders, they consider it part of the package of changes in our food system that has ignored human nutrition.